about the grammar of DATTE. DATTE is mean that I heard that or heard that. If you work with Japanese people or you work in Japan, you will always heard Japanese say DATTE, something like this. They will say saying is more than writing for the grammar of DATTE. In writing, actually they don't use the DATTE, but in speaking they always say DATTE. So you can remember that it means I heard that, or she heard that, or heard that or something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of DATTE, you can use the verb noun and adjective, including noun adjective and adjective. When you use the verb, you can change the verb to be the casual form. And for noun, you should end by not. And noun adjective also end by not. And for the adjective, you don't need to change anything, just use in that form. And after that, you follow by u datte, or you can say u deshite, or datte. It just has the same meaning, so don't be confused when you see datte or deshite. Deshite maybe formal, or it's maybe polite more than datte. But anyway, datte they just use in speaking more than in writing. So please remember that. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of datte, let's go to see some example together. The first example, 彼女ができたんだって。彼女ができたんだって。Which means, I heard he got a girlfriend. I heard he got a girlfriend. The next example, 知らないんだって。知らないだって。知らないだって。Which means, they say that they did not know. They say that they did not know. For the first sentence, you see that they use with the not the verb. In our verb here is from the verb dekiru, right? So we change to the past tense. This can be dekita, but we push u, so we can dekitandatte. 彼女ができたんだって。Which means he got a girlfriend. And for the second sentence, you see that they use the verb 知らない, right? 知ります. So we change to the night form, so it can be 知らない. So end by u and だって. So we can say 知らないだって. 知らないだって. That means they say that they did not know. The next example, クリスさんが JLPT の N に合格したんだって。クリスさんが JLPT の N に合格したんだって。Which means that I heard that Chris passed the JLPT N2. I heard that Chris passed the JLPT N2. The next example, この店のカレー美味しいだって。この店のカレー美味しいだって。Which means, I heard that this restaurant has good curry. I heard that this restaurant has good curry. For the first sentence, that you see that they used datte with the verb 合格する, right? 合格する is mean pass. We change to the past tense form, you can say 合格しました. or 合格した So after 合格した they put うえだって So you can say 合格したんだって Which means I heard, we heard, he heard, she heard, right? Or Mr. John heard, something like this. I heard that Chris passed the JLPT N2. And for the second sentence, you see that they use oishi datte. That means the second sentence they use with the EHT, right? EHT, when you use with the EHT, that means you don't need to change anything. You can use in that form. Oishi datte. So they say, konomi se no kare oishi datte. Which means I heard that this restaurant has good curry. Or this restaurant is really has a delicious food, right? So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of datte. Datte means that you heard from another body else. You got the information from another body else, and you can say to your friends. You can say datte, something like this. And thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. And I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。